situation, and she asked Hero, what is the best way I can go about the situation, because I don't want anybody to feel away. Mika said that on her live. What's the best way I can go about the situation so Hero know about it? So when my Uber taxi come now, and I was the first person to went into the cab. When I went into the cab, Hero was like, Ivany, you leave, you not say nothing to me, you not talk to me. No, me not answer, me not say nothing. Because me I say, Hero, your sister me are going out the car, me not want you run me down or nothing, but you not get mad, you even say, Ivany, what go on, me go talk to Mika, or Ivany, me just come here start chill, you know, say, me never know, say, this a go on, and you know, say, my party, so me not really want, because of my party, everybody there, you talk to me, you know about it already, but you come out like you don't know anything. You come out want me to explain myself when you don't know what go on. Me just never invited. So I left the place and I went. They was like, we could go somewhere. They text me and they was like, I'm sorry, I didn't know that, you know, I didn't know anything that was going on and everything. He genuinely didn't know anything. So they was like, you know, we could leave, we could go somewhere, we could still enjoy ourselves. But people, I'm telling you, my vibe was broke. My vibe was broke. Me did feel hurt knowing that people on my team, my own TikTok team, people when we come out, come shoot lion pan, me drop lion pan sweetly like say lion is nothing. Me drop gift pan Hero them like it is nothing. When sweetly I play in match them, me drop my things them pan sweetly, me show my support because I genuinely love them. When me I play my little match, me not say sweetly come support me non-sal and me I talk about it. I'm gonna really make that be a big deal, because I'm not give you forget back gift, but I just show you something I genuinely love them. I have my last and take it the lion go give Swiss when I say Swiss I lose. Swiss say him can't give me because him have things. Me have things that safer. I want to get my little apartment, I want to buy my little car, I want to do this, I want to do that, but me still I support it genuinely. But them not love me genuinely. So after all of that and everything, I told Zay that, listen, I'm just not gonna go out, I'm just gonna go to the B&B and everything. I said I unfollow all of them, Michi, Mika. I didn't block them, I just unfollow them. I unfollow them on my Instagram, I unfollow them on my TikTok. I said, you know what, I'm just gonna move on with my life, I'm just gonna end it there. Then I was so upset, I said, you know what, I'm just gonna text Swissley. Let me read everything. And this is what Swissley had to say to me.
Oh, sorry.
For sure you say in fake too. Because if I'm a female and I text this to you, look at your response to me.
Good? Oh.
Yeah. So I text Swissley and I said, this is exactly what I said to Swissley. I said, you nor Mika them can't style me. And me shoulda know I wasn't invited from the ticket never booked from the day to come Friday. Me I go low uno, but cause I pay me I go low uno because I pay fakeness you and Mika them. Because I be a fakeness you and Mika them. Any day me see a live, any day me see a live and feel like words are dropping on me, the media now go good and me I go right back to the same way I was. So basically me say to Swissley say, you're fake and me I go low you out, and if me see them go live, meaning say if me see Mika or anybody go live, for sure you say me never say nothing bad for my life. And I'm gonna, after I done read it, I'm gonna turn the camera so you can see. So my text I'ma say, if I see anybody go live about me, or I'ma feel like say a word that drop on me based off of what happened the night, I'm gonna go live and I'm gonna talk what I have to talk, and then people are going to say that I'm not. People can say anything that they want to say. That's what I said to him. So that's supposed to show y'all that I did not say anything bad, because I wouldn't even text him and say if I see anybody go live or anything. This is what Swissley had to say. Swissley say, bro, how the FUCK me reach in a bro? Listen, do anything you want, bro. Then he said, where you a text about Mika? Me book B&B, bro. Up off of me G about me and Mika, bro. Don't try style my thing with you guys mixed up. What I talk about ticket. Me and you have business about ticket. I'm a host just like you, so I don't care about ticket or Airbnb. And you have me begging and only to come and get this disrespect. Just imagine everybody that was at the event was at the B&B, and I pull up and only to hear that you and your friends have to leave, and Hero had nothing to say. He had nothing to say. Okay then, you know what would have better? It would
say you leave.
No, it would have better if him say me leave. You know.
No, not you. If him say, I mean to say if him say, make yo Vani, me no know your friend name.
No, that would even better. Me I tell you what would have better. You know what would have been? You know what would have been better? It would have been better if like, Ivany, can everybody put our money and we book our own spot right now that everybody could actually go to, where everybody can actually have a vibe there? That would have been better.
Right.
That would have been better if he had said, you know what? Since everybody there drive, everybody came by a vehicle, everybody drive. Since everybody can be at that B&B and everybody wanted to have fun, let us all put some money together and let us all rent a big B&B that everybody can be able to stay there and have fun there. Everybody would have relocated to that B&B, but I just genuinely never invited. And then here all the people them outside, when me just reach here them, Ivany, you know, can't hook on a liquor. Me never invited, so me forget that. And then look, when me reach and them say no liquor no hookah, I was gonna buy them. Me tell the boy say, find out a place we sell hookah and we sell alcohol, and I will purchase them. Suppose me did purchase them only for years and me have to leave. Me I leave with them.
I leave him with them.
I would have left with them. So guys, that's what just happened, and I just explain it the best way. I never think me be disrespectful. I just come out and I just explain it the decent way, and that is what happened. If anybody wants to come back after my life and disrespect me or say what they have to say, it's their I feel them think that.
Even think to say beside them, say bring a friend that's like a post them or one.
Look, I live in my friend live decent place. Look at my friend live. My left decent place. Go one B&B forget disrespect.
The people that I'm going like say,
look there.
If on this message, if you show them this blood, show them this now. Watch us so. Mitchie said to me, me say y'all come this thing. Mitchie say yeah. Me say cause I want to stay in my yard. Yeah. Not even they don't want to go. Cause look there. Them people they like me.
Look there. A nice place my friend live. Look
where
there.
Where am I going like people that live somewhere?
My friend live a nice place. I could have just stay at home.
Don't tell Mitchie say oh, me not even
go and get
go.
Disrespect.
I tell her she want to stay in my yard, and then she has to chew money, you know. No pill money.
But at the end of the day, it is what it is. I did not disrespect any of them. I did not. So, and for Chevy came out and disrespect me talking about the soap and whatever, and she said me never book B&B for one bag of something she talk. I'm just gonna be the bigger person and just leave it alone. As I said, I unfollow each and every one of them because them sometimes some things have to happen. You know my name I go run up on the media, I go run up on Pink Wall. You go hear say as Ivany come a foreign, she and Hero then fall out, and that you go hear no, you know. When me no wrong, me I go wrong. Them I go say me come, and them I go say me fall out with Hero. It me fall out with Swiss. Some people are gonna say me didn't know this I go happen cause Ivany crosses. Me didn't know this I go happen cause everywhere Ivany go it's salt. They're gonna say a lot of stuff, but me genuinely deep down in my heart, no say me never do none of them nothing. I wasn't wrong at all. I did not went live yesterday and disrespect any of them. Me just go and just yes, I have to go away and me just go away. Me turn on my live, me never say nothing. I even went on Miss Spontaneity live and I said, Miss Spontaneity, respectfully, I would appreciate if you guys did tell me say I wasn't invited. But you can't say me should have not gone neither because I didn't know that I was going to the B&B. I thought I was supposed to go to the strip. I was to go to the strip with Angie them, but then Angie them sent me a B&B said Hero them dead it. So me didn't think of Angie B&B. I thought it was Angie's B&B.
Cause them a call down the phone.
Angie them a call me, you know, I said for come, Angie them a we need you there, them a call me down. I tell me say me need for come. So me the thing say Angie B&B them me I go only if you know say it wasn't that, but that is just that, and it was just a big misunderstanding for me end up reach there, and it just everything just happened for a reason, and I'm just glad all of this happened. So basically it just show me who people is and just show me say people can't fake love, because I don't unfollow Miss Spontaneity though. Miss Spontaneity has like nothing to do with this.
Yeah, she was cool.
Miss Spontaneity has nothing to do with this. Nothing at all. My spontaneity had to do with this. So I leave my spontaneity out of that. But like, I'm not as much as I not add nobody to the life. It done. I not add nobody. I'm gonna add Michi. And Michi, you know how Michi say, Michi now got disrespect, but you know Michi go read all one comment now and go head go chip and go start, you know? And then Michi go probably go say, all them John, make it stay. Make it stay.
So you say you're not even the one nothing. Because even after the diss up, I'm outside and I say, oh, where them feel like a styling thing, you are still telling me calm, you know? Calm or whatever, you don't want the you know, the little
what Auntie Nikki, what's your name? Auntie Nikki. Oh God, me never expect that from Auntie Nikki. Auntie Nikki face alone should have made me turn back. When me I talk to Auntie Nikki about the Uber, Auntie Nikki expression alone.
The one of them favor bullshit.
Me should have left from me see Auntie Nikki face. Me should have left. Me shouldn't go inside. From the vibes outside, me should have leave. Me should have just turn back. Me should have just turn back. Yeah, when me I explain to her about the Uber, she you know, one time you just have the expression saying I'm not chatting with you. That was the feeling that was given. Even the black man, I don't know that black man there, you know. The tall black man where Auntie Nikki did stand up and talk to. He might look for me some type of way too.
I don't know what the girl's problems with you is. But the one of them say, gully back on bullfrog, and that me know.
With us.
And that me say, and that is that.
People, don't force me to do what I don't want to do. To keep a friendship, sometimes your friend can talk out things and start out back things on the good again. But this one is a past. This one is a past. This was a big disrespect.
Somebody said them say you bring someone there with them like, come on, Smithy.
But no, playing a bad energy. Why the hell Hero want me come on him live now for talk to me? You had the whole time last night, could have called me.
Fuck all of that. Fuck
no,
everybody.
Don't say certain things for the life because they will get blocked. But listen when me as a girl, me a big woman. And nobody now will come make me look like an idiot. I'm gonna run back at people.
If a friend thing, you call your friend and
listen
your friend, what go on?
Listen me now. Everything happened last night. I left last night. You could have called me. You could have called me when I left and speak it over the phone and talk to me. Nobody contacted me. Hero did not contacted me last night. Swissley did not contacted me last night. They had not contacted me this morning either. Why you had to wait until I turn my live on now for everybody want me to add them on my live? For what? For what? Why want me to add them on my live now for start out? What? Yeah, but you know what happened? After last night, I went off and went to my place. Everybody turned back and everybody started to enjoy themselves back over again. Everybody was back to being enjoying their night. So I just feel like I just want to be alone right now. I just pass that one, yeah. I'm not gonna tell no lie. I just always look up on some people when me love them more than all them love me. And when some things happen, I'm move on, people are gonna always say, Vani, I had the problem. Feel I'm going to a pool.
Of course, girl.
Okay, I'm going to pool.
We have pool on 46th floor at top.
Everybody are going to always say, Vani, I had a problem. Them are going to always say, Vani, I had a problem. I always find some friend where me love them more than them all. Me that put up my all for my friend, and my friend them would never do that.
They must can live at the Airbnb.
My friend them would never do that for me. Brother, I'm going to show you this. Believe me, I talk it on live. One day, I'm there at my yard. If them never know, I have to pay for me there, you know. I have to help towards rent. I have to pay for the way me there.
Right,
I have to pay bills. I have to pay internet. I have to pay light. I have to pay water. I have to pay.
Right.
And I tell you, say, me there me yard one day.
Right.
And everything come up to $600 to pay. Give me my people them for everything in all. I know some have the $600. And me go send it to my people them for pay for my bills them or whatever. And it's like one man say, I say be a people that tag me.
Right.
And I go up on my TikTok and I say, Swiss, you know, one big match. And I say, Bomba, the match is so big where like the two of them like have 6,000 points. Like the two of them have the point. And I say, Bomba, And me I tell you say the match hot. I know one official battle is just a match, but the match hot. The match hot, the match hot, the match hot. And me I say no man, you know, so my job, I go up on TikTok recharge something there, and me recharge $371 and get a lion and go give sweet sleep. I take my last so me did have and go give, and then turn around and I go up on my live, and I feel up on my live a big taps and roses just to gain back. And some things when I go through and things when I do just for support them brother, they would even know. A multiple time I take my last and give them for my life. But I not talk about it. I not talk about it because people are going to turn around and use it and cuss me. People, enough brother, enough things I go through since I foreign, and I not talk about it. I not trust people to tell people my business. I keep my business to myself. I keep my business to I know since I left detention in America, I learned to keep. Since I come out and say, since I make up when I'm in detention, I make up my mind say, God, if you give me one chance to go to America, I'll show you who me is. I'll change my life completely. I'm not going in an argument with nobody because I can come to America and meet some people and better up my life. Opportunities there, I pray every day. I want promise God, I never do it. Was say I go to church, I never go to church. I go back at 18, I go to church. I promise God, say if I make me come out, I keep myself to myself. I stop arguing with people. And as a girl, I serve for my life, I come out and I do as I say I do. I'm not in an argument with nobody. I change my life. I genuinely go around and change my life. Everybody with me and them in a problem, and me first go make back friend. Me see the official depend on her life, and me first go over there go beg friend from her and send her gift and keep peace. Every single body where me can know me and them in a problem with, me I'll text Renee 6:30 and say, Mama, just tell me any amount and me can screenshot it right now and show no. Me text Renee 6:30 page couple weeks and say, Mama, any amount of money you want back for your page when me did take for you. If I even 400k, any amount of money you want, me willing to send you back for your page so my heart can free from what me did do. Me text Renee and say any amount of money you want for your page, me send you back so that my conscience and my mind and I can just be free. Me just want peace with everybody. And Mama say it's okay. Just to show you say, oh, everybody genuinely just have gravitate and just system change and just want peace too.
Chance to be better.
And just want peace too. And then when my sister is like, say, people don't really love me or me love them, brother, and the disrespect when me I go get, me sit down outside and me cry last night and I say, you know, me now go up on my live, you know. Me say me now go up on my live, you know, because, yeah, me say me never go up on my live because me don't want nobody say me I bring things to the media. Me don't want to be the person who can bring, because me I say me I go call Swiss in the morning and me I go call Ira, we talk it off the ear, because me rate Ira and me rate Swiss and me I say, and me two friend them there, me I go just keep it off. I mean, just say me I go keep it off the ear, but after me see the video with me can never say nothing about, but the in the back
know about it
and then with Chevy I saying in the background and disrespect me. I say, no, I just have to come out, come just talk my part of the story. And I'm going to talk my part of the story just as how me can talk fair. So me can talk fair, polite, no disrespect. I just have a friend them in the background that I go on the entourage.
Well, Aaron, to hell with all of that, man.
It just done and everything. It just done.
Feel how you feel.